Hi, I'm Hilary Buenconsejo. I'm here at KT Orchids. I work on, this is my hobby. I make costumes, Tahitian costumes for soloists and photo shoots. So this is where I get most of my greens, my foliage, and my bases. When I come in, I usually have an idea of what color that I'm going to use for my clients. And we use a lot of this Song of India. It's easy to work with, it lasts a long time. If it's going to be a 2-day competition, this is what's going to last. If I want to get colors, this is our red tea leaf here. Smaller, we can use it for braids or, you know, different colors. And a lot of times I'll use that if somebody's going to be wearing red or yellow and I really want it to pop. This is used a lot for like braiding or weaving. Might be a base of a headpiece. You know, I'll take that and kind of weave it in and, you know, and stuff, and make a little bit of a braid, but mostly just for a base system. So basically, a lot of these are for bases, backgrounds, accents. These foliage, I use a lot of this fern right here because it's hardy, it's stiff, and it'll stand up and last. That's what I'm looking for, something that's going to last all day long for competitions. So colors, maybe some of the girls would be wearing yellow, so I'll buy, you know, tea leaves like this. Yellow and green and lime green looks really pretty with this. This weekend I'm looking for something different, something that I might use, I might not normally use. Something like these leaves here. I've never ever used this, but I think I'm going to use these to make maybe a skirt. For Jeannie's photo shoot this weekend, we're going to have 2 main costumes. One of them is a Samoan tapo type outfit. She'll be having a really big headpiece with shells and feathers, traditional Samoan, and so I'm going to put that together with tapa, traditional tapa that has been passed down from her family. We'll be wrapping that on her, you know, signifying her background, her family, her upbringing, and then we're going to go into what she does now. She started her own group, Hiva Katoa, and we're going to be showcasing fresh Tahitian outfit, all completely fresh skirt, fresh, you know, traditional headpiece type, you know, nice colors, really to showcase her face. And so what I'm looking for is something that's going to pop with the camera and really look good on her. She's very bright, she's very beautiful, and I just want to show that.
Aho I mai, hoi mai.
Tō marea e maine.
O e ta ui here.
E ine hoki mai.
Aho I mai, hoi mai.